We are approaching the end of the fiscal year, and for those who work with SAP Business One, the annual financial statements are coming up soon. The annual financial statement provides a clear overview of the financial situation of a company and serves as the basis for the tax return. In Germany, such a report is required by law. In SAP Business One, this process includes a series of steps that ensure that all financial transactions for the fiscal year are properly recorded, reviewed, and finalized. This video provides a brief overview of the 5 key steps that occur as part of the financial statement close. The first step is to adjust the posting period for the new fiscal year in SAP Business One. The adjustment must be made so that all transactions are recorded correctly. Next, the document numbers must be adjusted accordingly to the new year to avoid confusion and errors. Another topic is the SAP data format. This will ensure that your payments can be processed smoothly in the new year. If you want to use Elster to transfer your tax data to the tax authorities, you should use the latest Elster version every year. The version must be updated every January. The file export is also important. Your data has to be transferred to the tax consultant, and it may be necessary to map accounts to ensure a smooth process. And let's not forget the inventory. A careful stock count is necessary to ensure that your stock is recorded correctly. This must be done before the annual accounts are closed. This was a brief overview of the most important points to keep in mind when using SAP Business One for your year-end closing. If you need support with the implementation, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you through the year-end closing process.